Beneath the surface of peace, a new threat emerges. Modern warfare relies on GNSS. Guided weapons threaten strategic targets with high precision, posing serious risks to critical sites. GNSS, guided threats capable of precise strikes and severe impact. IAI presents Hypnosis, cutting-edge, soft-kill system designed to protect assets against the evolving GNSS-guided threats. IAI's Hypnosis system is an autonomous, non-kinetic system composed of a C2 operating an array of high-end transmission stations, providing regional protection against GNSS-guided threats. The system utilizes jamming and spoofing capabilities across multiple frequency bands, GNSS constellations, and directions in order to effect the precise threats. The system mitigates multiple threats simultaneously with negligible interception cost. The system complements hard kill defense and easily integrated with any C2. Hypnosis, your invisible line of defense when it matters most.